Hi again, everybody. We're back. Today is going to look a little different. Instead of having a normal lesson like we did yesterday and on Tuesday, where there's a little video and then a little question, today we actually have a test. I want to see how well this has been going. And we've also hit the end of our unit. So we're just going to do the whole thing together. So I wanted to walk you through step by step on how to do this assessment. In our classroom, normally if you had a question, you would raise your hand and I would come over and talk to you. And I would answer the same question a lot of times, but I would just do it individually so as not to disrupt the class. So today, I'm going to think about those questions you would normally ask. I'm going to put those in a video so that if you were in class, it was like you'd already asked them and I was already answering them. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get you into your Edulastic test. Now, some of you may have already seen in Google Classroom that I posted an assessment. It said Module 2 assessment. If you've already clicked on it, that's fine. If not, this is how you get to it. Now, I want you to pay extra close attention. This is for the rabbits. This is for the turtles. And yes, it does matter. If a rabbit clicks on this link, it won't work. If a turtle clicks on this link, it won't work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the link, and it brings me to Google Classroom. The reason it's in Google Classroom is because that's how I was able to assign this assessment to you. Once you're in Google Classroom, you're going to click right here on this Edulastic Formative and Summative Assessments Made Easy. Looks just like that. This is going to bring you to this. It brought me to my own screen, the teacher screen, but this should be what your test looks like, okay? So this is how you get in if you are a rabbit. Now, I'm going to exit out of this. If you are a turtle, you're going to come right here. You're going to click on this link. It brings you to the same thing. You click right here and it brings you to your test. Now, if you notice, I have my 3 tabs open at the top. That's fine. I have 3 tabs open and you're going to be going back and forth, back and forth. If you want to move your tab over so it's a little easier, that's fine. So I'm going to go back to my math form and I'm going to answer this question. It says, please open the Edulastic test. Were you able to open the test all the way? This is what I mean by all the way. Were you able to get here? If you answer no, then that means you're not going to get much further on this assignment. So I want you to come back and watch this video again. Hopefully everyone is answering yes. Now, I'm not going to require these. Right now it's required. I'm going to take that off because you can't answer both. Rabbits are going to have to answer this one and turtles are going to have to answer this one. Okay, hopefully this is clear. Hopefully this makes sense. If not, watch the video again. Watch it a few times and it'll start to make sense as you watch me do it a few times. Remember, you can always pause me and try it on your own and then come back and watch the next step. That's totally fine.